In this video, we'll learn to estimate answers. So it's really important that you read the question. When it says estimate, you've got to estimate. If it says work out, find the value of, or evaluate, that means finding the exact answer. In this case, if you find the exact answer to any of these, you're going to lose marks, if you get any marks at all. So, first one, we've got 4.83 times 3.6, and that's all divided by 2.01. So I'm going to round them. The first one, I'm going to round it to 5 times 3.6, I'm going to round it to 4. Rounding it to one significant figure or rounding it to the nearest whole number. And the same thing I did over here. Now that is 2.01, so that would be 2. Now 5 times 4 is 20, divided by 2 gives us 10. Looking at the next one, we've got 19.5 times 0.45. 19.5, that is very close to 20. And 0.45, that is close to 0.5, which is half. So multiplying 20 by half means halving 20, which gives us 10. Looking at the next one, we've got 148 times 23. So 148, I'm going to round that to 150. And 23, I'm going to round it to 20. So how can we work this out? 15 times 2, or 2 times 15, is 30. Then we add the 2 zeros, which means multiplying by 10 and by 10 again, which is the same as saying multiplying by 100. So that gives us 3000 as an answer. So estimation can be done with decimal numbers as well as whole numbers. And you don't need to round each of the numbers within the calculation to the same degree of accuracy. So here we rounded to the first significant figure, which was fine for all of them. Here we rounded to the second significant figure, or to the nearest 10, whereas this one was rounded to 1 decimal place. So different degrees of accuracy. Then looking at this, we rounded them both to the nearest 10, so to the same degree of accuracy. When it comes to estimation questions, it's not always just one answer. It can be a number of answers that are correct.